All right, whether you're watching this live or watching the recording of this, this is the eBay 2021 Onyx Baseball Extended Series break, 12 box break for January 19th, 2022. Um, two autos per box in this. So, um, just to let you know, with products like this where you know you have prospects in it, you have major league guys in it that are on name teams. Sometimes there's often some confusion. So the checklist that was posted in the eBay uh, listing for these breaks is the checklist that all the cards will be associated with. We will go by that. Um, I'll bring up the checklist now on Cardboard Connection to just go over it a little bit more. But um, we have college players, which we have a spot for in the break. So Kellum Clark, Mississippi State, that will go to the college player spot. We have Drew Compton, Georgia Tech, that will go to the college player spot. Then we also have an international and USA prospect spot. And it's mostly international guys, but there happens to be a USA player who's a high school player. So he's not in college and he's not with a major league team. So he is in the international and USA prospect spot. And that's Derek Curiel. So he will go to the international and USA player spot. Everyone else has a named major league team. You got Bobby Witt Jr. here, Kansas City. Um, so those are pretty self-explanatory, but there was some confusion last time on what is a prospect. So we have, because on the card, they're all just listed as prospects, but um, on the checklist, the guys have a named college team. So they will go to the college prospect spot. Parker Messick, Florida State. So on his card, it'll say prospect, but he goes to the college spot because he's Florida State on the checklist. So I have the checklist here next to me. As we go through the cards, we'll name them out where they go. So we have college player spot for the college players named on the checklist. We have the international and USA prospect spot for all the international players like um, De Los Santos, um, uh, Derek Curiel, we named already. We'll go to the USA international prospect spot. Um, Mejia is an international prospect. Roderick Arias, although he has been signed by the Yankees, I'm understanding, for this break here tonight, he is going to the international prospect spots. So just to kind of clear up that confusion. So wanted to put that out there. All right, so we're going to get into the break here in just a moment. Anyone who's with me live and wants to hang out after this break, I will have personals available. Got some other baseball product available here. Got some new Leaf Metal drafts. So if you like prospects and new draftees, I have Leaf Metal Jumbos, which have six autographs in them, and Leaf Metal I'm sorry, those are actually reversed. The jumbo is 185 and the hobby is 115. Let me just correct that real quick there. So yeah, the jumbos actually have nine autos and a one of one slabbed proof auto, and then the regular hobby have six autographs in them. We also have Topps Chrome. We also have some Bowman Mega boxes, and we have last year's Topps Chrome Blaster boxes as well. So if you want to stick around for some more baseball after this, stick around and we can do some personals and send them out with your break spots. So we'll get back into the break here. Appreciate everyone joining. I will be running some Leaf Metal breaks next week on eBay as well on a week from today on Wednesday. So that'll be my next night for breaking for a little bit more baseball action. So wish everyone good luck, and let's get into it. Here we go. some more top loaders. All right, Blaze Jordan for Boston. Kevin Parada. So he goes to Georgia Tech for college. All right, first one up, Jefferson Espinal for Arizona. Blue ink auto. And Eddie's Leonard, Los Angeles Dodgers. Box 2. Maximo Acosta for Texas. True Waters, Atlanta. All right, Angels, Mason Albright. Matt McLean, Cincinnati. Box 3. All right, Jacob Gonzalez, that's Mississippi for college. Jacob Berry, LSU for college. Another Mason Albright here for the Angels. And Ken Waldachuk for the Yankees. Box 4. Shane Bieber, Cleveland. Frank Mozzicato, Kansas City. Dari Lorenzo for the Astros. And then we got Gunnar Hoagland, Toronto Blue Jays. So all blue ink autos right now so far. Blue inks are to 400. Haven't had any other colors yet. Jordan Walker, St. Louis. Carlos Duran for the Dodgers. And then we got a Duran Dodgers autograph blue ink. All right, Yasser Mercedes. He will go to the international prospect spot. Nice one there. Box 6. Jose Miranda, Minnesota. Samuel Basallo, Baltimore. And there we go. Red auto, Benny Montgomery for the Rockies. Red auto. That's numbered to 25. Nice one there for the Rockies and Tammy. And San Diego, we got Victor Acosta. Going out to San Diego. All right, halfway through. Robert Hassel, San Diego. Jordan Wicks, Chicago. And then with Jordan Wicks, Chicago autograph. Cubbies. And then we got Spencer Jones, who is Vanderbilt, so that'll go to the college prospects. Jordan Lawler, Arizona, and Raquelban De Castro for Toronto. Jordan Wicks again for the Cubs. Blue auto. And there is Derek Curiel, who is a high school player, going out to the International and USA prospect spot. Nice one there for Shannon. Randy Johnson, Seattle. Jackson Jobe, Detroit. Oh, look at that one. Dominguez for the Yankees. That's a nice one. Going out to Shannon. Boom. Back-to-back nice ones here. Adley Rutschman for Baltimore. Another nice one there. Going out to Daniel. Well, that was a good box. I would say so. Nice.
Fergie Jenkins, Cubs. Mason Albright, Angels. Jackson Jobe for Detroit Tigers. And then we got Sal Frelick for Milwaukee. Okay, Alexis Hernandez, International. Peyton Pallette for Arkansas, college prospect. Ooh, cool. Fergie Jenkins, green auto. Nice legend auto. Going out to the Cubs. Cubs getting a bunch of autos for Ryan. Green auto to 50, Fergie Jenkins. Nice one. And international prospect, blue ink auto, Alexis Hernandez. Okay, last box. Maximo Acosta for Texas. Enrique Bradfield for Vanderbilt, so college prospect. Jackson Jobe again, but this time a green ink auto. Out of 50. Detroit Tigers. And the final hit of the break goes to Henry Davis and Pittsburgh Pirates. We'll do a quick recap. All right, Henry Davis, Pittsburgh. Jackson Jobe, Detroit. Hernandez for Internationals. Sam Frelick, Milwaukee. Jackson Jobe, Detroit. Derek Currell, International USA prospect spot. Jordan Wicks, Chicago Cubs. Spencer Jones is college. Jordan Wicks again, Cubs. Victor Acosta, Padres. Benny Montgomery, Rockies. Yasser Mercedes, international prospect. Carlos Duran, Dodgers. Gunnar Hoagland, Toronto Blue Jays. Dowry Lorenzo, Astros. Ken Waldachuk, Yankees. Mason Albright, Angels. Matt McLean, Reds. Mason Albright again for the Angels. Eddie's Leonard, Dodgers. Jefferson Espinal, Diamondbacks. Fergie Jenkins for the Cubs. Adley Rushman for the Orioles. And Jason Dominguez for the Yanks. That is the break. Thanks everyone who joined. We will be back next week with another baseball break for Leaf Metal Draft. Check the eBay store for that, where you came through today. If anyone wants to hang out and do personals, I'll put the personal menu up now. Put some boxes up. If anyone wants to do anything, I'm gonna take that put that on the screen for you. Those are the prices. You can pay through PayPal or Venmo.